Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So I am back from the UK. It was so cold over there. Lots of windy weather, not very good weather at all. But I am back. We have got some lovely sunshine. It's a bit chilly though. I am finding it quite chilly here as well. So no pleasing me at the moment, but I am back and I'm really pleased to be back at my crafting table. I am just going to show you a few bits and pieces that I purchased in the UK. Now, I went to like a little flea market. I went to a couple of crafty shops. And I also have some bits and pieces which my mother-in-law gave me as well. Some bits of fabric and some clothes that she doesn't want. So I'm excited. So I will show you. Now, this is from a little flea market that we went to, which is lovely. And this is a little book on birds. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? So I'm going to be scanning some of these in, I think, because I think they are lovely. I think they will make beautiful journal cards. I love them. So that's a lovely book. And I've got some really nice old pages in there as well. So that's lovely. I also got one on butterflies. Now this has got a nice cover on it. If you open it up, look at that. Just these books are just beautiful, and even that as a journal card would be lovely, wouldn't it? So it tells you all about butterflies and caterpillars and all sorts of things in here, which is lovely. So I will be scanning this as well. Beautiful. So I'm really pleased with those. So they were quite inexpensive actually. And then I got some these are some lovely patterns. I can see what they're called, and they're toy ones. So we've got lovely ducks on this one, we've got teddies on this one, and I've got a little lamb. Look at these, aren't they lovely? These were like 50p each, so not quite sure what I'm going to do with them. I don't think the patterns have actually been made, but they are lovely, so you never know, I might attempt to make one. So it's a goose, it's a patchwork goose. So lovely. I haven't seen these before, and because they're normally clothes, aren't they? But these were like cuddly toys, and I think they're fabulous. So I've got some of those as well. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with those, but we shall see. And then I've got some. This was 50p, and it is. Look at that! Isn't that cover just lovely? I think it's beautiful. It's just like a music book. Because I can't find these over here in Portugal, can't find them anywhere, but I think these are lovely. So I managed to get two of these, two music-y books, so these are lovely. So I can scan these in as well and make some nice journaly bits for our journals. So loving that. I'm going to keep that in there, so that can go in there. And this is the one I love. I don't need that bit of sellotape. Look at that. The Village Organist. Isn't that lovely? I bought it for the cover because I just think that is lovely. So hopefully I can scan that in properly. And look at that lovely page. Isn't it just beautiful? I'm loving it. So all of these are just stunning. So these are just, again, music papers. But they are beautiful. Loving them. And really quite old. Like that. So love it. And we've got the lovely sellotape on the side. I'll pop that to the side. Oh, these are just silver mirror cards because I do make greeting cards here in Portugal for people. And then, so I got that. That came from the range, I think. I also got this in the not charity shop. It was the flea market. It's a really nice old tin. It says it's about gas. It says gas cancel appliance number, and this is sort of like embossed on here, so you can see where it's indented on there, and then it's embossed. So I'm going to give this a little bit of a clean up, and it was like £1 in there. So I think people thought I was a bit crazy buying it, but I just thought making a little journal to go in there I think would be really nice. I'll give this a little bit of a clean. I left the tag on it because I quite like that. So that was in there, and then I got some beads, bags of beads. Now this was £1. I've opened this one up. Now, this is a really nice big bag. It's just got sort of odd beads and things in it. Some of them are glass, some of them are just plastic. I feel like they need a good wash, but they are lovely. Look, lovely, lovely beads. So I've got 2 bags. I'm just going to open up the other bag because I want to have a quick little look, see what's in it. I don't think that goes in it. So that was £1. This one was £1. They are all, let me just get a pair of scissors just to chop this. They've been sellotaped up. So let's just chop that open. But yeah, they feel a bit grubby. So I do need to give them a bit of a wash. I will pop them in a sieve. And you see, it's just a mixture of beads. Some of them are plastic, I think, but some of them are glass in there. So we've got a nice big bag of those. Got a little wooden one in there as well. I do like having a rummage through bags of beads. Oh look, that's malachite, I think. It's green malachite, I think so. Yeah, we've got all sorts of things in there. So I will have a little wash. Lots and lots of little seed beads in there too. And then I got this one. These are, I believe, I'm going to just cut this open. Let's just do that because I wouldn't keep them in the bag anyway. These feel like they're quite heavy. Oh, look at those. Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? These are some sort of stone, aren't they? Love them. They are really nice. Not quite sure what I would do with that. Look at that blue one. That's really nice. But you never know when you need a little bead or a big bead. They feel lovely. I'm going to pop those in my little bowl over there. Let's pop that in the bin. Right, now, so that's the beads and bits. Now, when I went into the shops, now I got these, not that one. These I got in the range. I think it was the range, or it might have been Hobbycraft. But I wasn't very impressed with Hobbycraft at all. I wanted to go in there and I wanted to pick up some eyelets and some brads and things like that, but they didn't have anything, so I was really quite disappointed. But never mind. So I'm not quite sure. This is Hobbycraft. These are just little mini glue dots, and this is a glue strip. I've used the glue dots before, but this is like a glue strip, which is just like a little strip of glue, which is a bit obvious, isn't it? Just down through the middle. So you never know when you need a little bit of that. And these weren't very expensive at all, and they were quite light. Obviously I couldn't bring too much back because things are quite heavy. But they're quite handy. I quite like those. And these are just some wire, little wire. This is just florist wire, which I like to have in my stash. And these were only like £1 as well, which was good. And then I got some double-sided tape. You can never have too much double-sided tape. And then this was from, where was this from? These are from the Works, I think. So you guys that live in the UK will probably know all these anyway. So these are only £1, but again, they're nice, pretty shiny, so I got attracted to those. So they are lovely. And then a nice big bundle of double-sided tape, but this is the foam tape, and you've got the little pads in there as well. So I do like using those actually. And that was only £2, so that was quite cheap. And then, of course, I had to go and splurge on a little bit of glitter. Look at this. The reason I bought this is because I like these little funnel ones. They work really, really well. I love that pink. And then we got some little shiny bits, of course. My little magpie coming out. And look, they were £1 each. And then I got another fabric glue. Because this one, I use this one. I love this one. This is the one I got before. I haven't used very much of it, but I got another one as well. So I didn't have to obviously get it next time. And then these were sent to my mother-in-law's house. These I got off Amazon UK because I can't get it here sent to me here in Portugal. but this is really expensive. I couldn't believe how much this was. I think converted from euros into pounds, I think this cost me nearly £50 for 4 bottles, which I thought was astronomical. But I will be a little bit skimpy on that next year, I think. So the other thing we did while we were there, we had a beautiful Christmas dinner with my mother-in-law and her husband. So it was fab. So we were really, really spoiled. And these were off the crackers. Look at these. They got lovely beads and, oh, they were just gorgeous. And these were the crackers. Now, I have cut them up. And it's got like a flock on there. It's all nice and velvety. It's lovely. So I've cut them up. So this was the end of the cracker, like that. And these little bows tied around the cracker bit there. And they are just beautiful. So what could I do? I couldn't leave them. We couldn't leave them. So I cut them up and I brought them with me. So they were green and they were red. But that is just lovely. They are beautiful. So I've still got my Christmas journal to do as well. So these would probably go in there as little pockets, or you cut little circles out and have little dingly danglies. You know what I'm like with dingly danglies. And these are just beautiful. I am sure I will find something to do with those. So they are beautiful. And again, Andy's aunt collects all of these lovely bits of ribbon for me of different things that she has. So everybody collects things for me, and it's so lovely, isn't it? Because they know that I will be using them. But look at these lovely, lovely bits of ribbon. So I need to sort all of these out, which are lovely, lovely. Look at that beautiful piece of ribbon. Lovely, lovely colour, isn't it? So look, I'm going to tidy all of these up. And there was this piece. This is what I was looking at. That's really nice. That's very me colour. It's that beautiful sort of raspberry pink, isn't it? I'll keep it still so you can see. Probably doesn't quite show exactly the right colour on the screen, but it is lovely. So I'm going to be going through these and sorting these out as well. I didn't do it beforehand because I thought I would just show you. Look at these. See, these are all the little bits that you can use. So over Christmas, don't forget, if you get anything with a ribbon on, take it off and save it. Because look at these. These are lovely, aren't they? Oh, what's that one? Oh, look at that. That's nice, isn't it? That's like, sort of like card. I wonder what that was off. And it just slides. That looks very posh, doesn't it? So lovely. So lots of lovely bits of ribbon there to use. Oh, these were the hats. I folded these up. These are our Christmas hats out of the crackers. But they got that lovely shiny mirror gold on there. So I can use those as well. We can just cut things out with those. So yeah, I didn't throw anything away. And then look at this, lovely bits of fabric. So these are from my mother-in-law as well. So these are fab journal covers, aren't they? Look at these. They're just beautiful for journal covers. These are like offcuts, aren't they? Or samplers. This looks like a little sampler one. Yeah, I think it is. Not sure whether it's from my mother-in-law or Andy's aunt. I'm not quite sure, but they are fabulous. Just gorgeous, aren't they? Look at these. Love them. So they will make lovely, lovely journal covers and little bits and pieces. And then the only one top I got from the charity shop, I didn't get anything else in there, did I? Is this top. Let me just pop those to the side. So it's this top. Now this is beautiful. I think this only a couple of pounds this was, but look at the sleeves on it. Isn't that just lovely? I think that is just gorgeous on there, and it's a really pretty pink. It's a shame to cut it up, but it doesn't fit me. I did try it on, but it doesn't fit me. A little bit too snug, should I say. It's probably all my mince pies that I ate while I was in England. and jammy donuts. I do like a donut with jam in the middle, so I had a few of those there as well, which was lovely. But look at that, isn't that just so pretty? Love it. So we've got that all the way around the bottom as well. Beautiful ribbon. So that's going to be made into some little clusters and things. Then we have this green top, which has got lace on. This was from my mother-in-law. We've got this one here that I can cut up, and then these ones, which I love. She gave me these. Now this, look at that, look at all the beautiful lace in this. Oh, let's get rid of that cotton. Look at this, isn't that just lovely? All this is beautiful. Now this can be cut up into little pieces, and you can also colour it as well. But look, isn't that just lovely? We've got that one, we've got this one, and this one is beautiful because look, it's got little flowers all over it on here, look. So these could all be taken off or cut around on there, little 3D flowers. Beautiful, aren't they? Isn't that lovely? So I am really, really pleased with these pieces. But yeah, I went to the charity shops and there wasn't a lot in there, I must say. I was quite disappointed on that one. And they were quite expensive as well, funnily enough. So I've only got this lovely pink one, but I had such fun. But the weather was horrendous. We landed in the UK and it was freezing cold. The plane was doing this as we were landing, so I think I closed my eyes. Andy said I closed my eyes until we actually landed, because I'm not the best flyer in the world. And it was so cold and windy when we got off the plane. It was freezing, and apparently they were having storms. So we landed sort of like in a nice big storm. So, but we had a fabulous time. We really did have a lovely time. So yes, there we go, guys. So just a quick video. Just want to check in with you guys, show you a few bits that I picked up, and then I am off to Spain on Friday, so I will probably not put too many videos out. We've got a digital kit coming out, which I'll do a video for you for tomorrow. We've got a new kit, which is a lovely one. It's not Christmassy. It's a really nice one, which I will be doing a journal with next year, when I get back. So there we go, guys. A few bits and pieces to show you, like this, and I love this. I just love this one. I will try and scan that in. Maybe we can do something with this, but I'm loving it. So there we go, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys are all healthy and well and ready for Christmas. I am not really ready, but I will get there, and I'm so looking forward to going to Spain as well, to spend it with my daughter, her husband, and my beautiful grandchildren. So happy I am. So there we go. Well, take care, stay safe, and I will see you soon. All right, guys, bye bye.